Okay, so part 2 of your lesson is we're going to talk about conserving the environment, reducing pollution. So, tiana mengurangkan pollution ani. This is page 117 to 118 in your textbook. So, the lesson objective is to explain how to reduce pollution, and the steps to success is to state the kind of pollution yang kami can reduce ato, and then baru tah we list the ways to reduce the pollution we're talking about. So, conserving the environment. So, cara untuk memastikan kami punya environment tadi sentiasa bersih, selamat, lawa. So, human activities can harm the environment in many ways. So, it is important that we conserve the environment. So, partinya conserve the environment tadi kan. This means protecting it from harm and keeping it healthy so that the organisms are not harmed. So, untuk memastikan environment atu selamat supaya environment atu sama di organisms, benda-benda yang hidup dalam environment atu pun selamat. This means we need to use our natural resources wisely and not waste them. So, one way of reducing pollution, let's first talk about cara reduce land pollution. Cumana mengurangkan pollution di darat. So, an easy way to reduce land pollution is by keeping our environment clean. So, ani sanang, we do it all the time at school. We make sure if ada sampah di somewhere, kami buang terus dalam tong sampah. We don't just throw it everywhere di rata-rata. So, the steps to do that is to always dispose or rubbish properly by placing it in a rubbish bin. So, sentiasa buang sampah atu di rubbish bin, and then do not litter. Jangan buang di rata-rata. Another way we can reduce land pollution is to participate in cleaning campaigns. At these events, people in the community get together to clean up rubbish at certain places. So, for example, di sini, ya meng-collect sampah ato and then buang dalam plastic sampah to throw into the bin. So, it's not just in places like these. It can be kami ada campaign kebersihan di pantai, di sekolah, atau di masjid. So, that's one way of reducing land pollution. So, how to reduce water pollution? So, for us, kami just normally, we just make sure not to throw litter into rivers and lakes. So, kami, if kami lintas kampung air atu, jangan membuang saja air botol kami atu taruh ke dalam sungai. Another way, ani the country yang buat ni usually, atau a company. The sewage water, so sewage water ani wastewater from homes, factories, and other buildings. It contains solid waste, harmful microorganisms, and other poisonous substances. So, air yung kamah. So, sewage water, air kamah ani, is cleaned at a treatment plant before it flows back into rivers, lakes, and the sea. So, ani an example of a treatment plant. Apa bistorang buat? Bistorang ambil air kamah ato, and then bistorang filter. Filter ani macam menapis air ato supaya bistorang membuang benda-benda yang kamah ato. So, solid waste, microorganism, poisonous substance ato, remove dulu dari air ato so that bila air ato sampai ke river, lake sama sea ato, air ato sudah bersih and selamat for the organisms. And then reducing air pollution. So you can reduce air pollution by walking or riding a bicycle instead of using a car if you live near your school. So this isn't really that good untuk where our school is because our school has very small roads. So teacher inda advise kamu untuk berjalan atau berbasikal ke sekolah because kawasan kami itu indah berapa selamat lah. Tapi if sekiranya kamu kan ke rumah jiran, then boleh kamu just walk ke rumah jiran itu. Janganlah kamu payah-payahkan suruh bapa kamu atau mama kamu untuk start engine kereta untuk ke sebelah rumah. Atau membuat air pollution tak. So another way, instead of the walking or riding a bicycle, is if you need to use a car, you can share car rides with your friends or neighbors. Namanya carpool. So instead of, for example, 3 orang guna 3 kereta, 3 orang itu boleh guna 1 kereta saja to go where they need to go. So Ani teacher advice, if you have very close friends yang kamu dapat percayai, do not go into cars with strangers. If kamu nada permission from your ibu bapa to go into a carpool, jangan ikut. So, be careful for your safety if you're going to try to reduce air pollution. Okay, so your exercise for both lessons is just to complete the worksheet on pollution. So it's in a table. You just have to answer apa yang menyebabkan pollution atau apa akibat pollution, apa kesan pollution atau and cara mengurangkan the pollution. So good luck, year 6.